Hey, let's go check out one of the first jails in Erie.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it. Essentially, it was right there in this corner, right here. Okay, so we are up here at East 2nd and Holland Street. And originally back in the day, there was a house that was built here out of logs that was used as a jail. Depending on what decade of the newspaper you're reading, it'll say that the first jail is over here at this corner, but other ones will say it's on this corner here. What it is, I think, is, you know, depending, like I said, depending on who's writing the historical articles at that time, they kind of would just go back through their archive and reprint maybe something that wasn't accurate the first time, and they've cleared it up or something like that. That's pretty much how that goes. But yeah, theoretically the first jail could be there too, but more than likely I think it was right here actually. So, and according to a Times News article in 1940, it talks about how that the county ended up taking it over and putting like 2 inches of concrete floors in it, and then they said one of the first prisoners was a slave woman who had, apparently they believed, that had drowned a small child, and then she apparently she freaked out while she was here and wasn't very happy, so they had to chain her up. And they left her chained up for about 3 months before they found out that they had no evidence, and they had to let her go.
Well, that's probably why she freaked out and they had to chain her up.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. So that all happened right here. This was one of Erie's first jails, was right here on this corner. I'm just gonna walk over here and see how the construction is.
Yeah. It's been a minute since I've been back, and I used to take the Bayfront Highway or connector all the time. But I take 12 Street now.
Yeah, you can see the tunnels over there.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's walk up this way.
I think you can go past the whatever those things are keeping the signs. You can walk past the trees like that.
Huh. There's the tunnel.
Yep.
That's a pretty steep incline.
Yeah.
I think we can jump it. Good stuff. I hear the police. The police are coming. It's because you trespassed. You went on the lawn back there.
I know that. So when ships used to decommission and like get scrapped, they're like, where's the Wolverine? Probably shaving with it today. Because you make scrap.
Yeah. I'm not old enough to shave. We're down here checking out the construction. I'm in desperate need of a cheeseburger, John.
Let's go get a cheeseburger.
All right, we're heading for a cheeseburger. So we realized that this is the 250th anniversary of America. You guys are going to get history coming out of your ears this summer.
Right.
And
We don't need a special occasion to do that.
yeah, we don't need, yeah,
But
we
like-
do it all the time. So
Like, this is it.
yeah, and there's going to be historians everywhere. I mean, like, you know, like if you were to fly over Erie and fall out of a plane, chances are that you're going to land on a historian this summer. So
Not just us.
not just us. So we'll try to take you to some cool places and, you know, try to do something a little different than everybody else.
Yeah.
You know?
Maybe we should go for a afternoon sail.
It was out earlier.
Oh, I'm sure, man.
Yeah.
We can whip around there. So there's
Yeah, and there's the other guy. Let's see, zoom in on him there. Cool.
Yeah, it's been, what, 6 months since we've done it.
Together filming in Vegas.
Yeah, it was the Vegas episode, yeah. That was fun. Yeah,
That was a great time.
that was fun. Met a lot of really cool people.
Saw a lot of cool things.
We both got a film gig out of it.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, hey, there's Letty G. Yeah. I never get tired of coming down here, though.
Always something to see and something to do.
That is for sure. So we got a late start this season.
We
By
did.
2 weeks. John just got back from New York. One of his films is playing in New York City. And I just got finished with a film. And this was the first time we could get together.